of India has today opened a branch at Gayatri Nagar. This is our 30th outlet in the city, twin cities, that is Secunderabad and Hyderabad. Union Bank of India is one of the leading public sector banks, and today we have 3,054 branches across the country. The bank has pan-India presence represented across all the states and almost in the entire length and breadth of the country. And the bank has plans to open 500 branches every year. And we have already drawn up ambitious plans. And in the state of Andhra Pradesh, we propose to add more than 24 branches in the next fiscal. Union Bank of India is one of the pioneer banks which went in, realized the importance of technology. And we were the first large public sector bank which made all the branches CBS, that is compatible to core banking solution, providing anywhere, anytime banking facilities to the customers in March 2008. Thereafter, in November 2009, we connected our regional rural banks also and integrated with the main branches of Union Bank of India. So that is the capability we developed. With this strength in technology, bank was able to provide all the facilities which any other leading banks are providing, that is ATM, internet banking, SMS banking, U-Mobile, that is Union Bank Mobile Services. And with this, the bank has also provided another capability to the customers, that is to provide, to ensure payment of utility bills, including BSN bills online through mobile services, that is through, I will say, mobile banking facility. So with this, especially our forte has been internet banking, because with this the customers, especially the young generation, which is very used to using the technology, they are able to do the online banking sitting at home or in their office. Yeah, they are able to do it from their place. And this way we are trying to educate our customers for availing of these services in a big way. And so we want there should be less of footfalls in the branches, and the branches should be able to devote more of time on, that is marketing, and then providing in-house services to the customers in a very efficient and in a customer-friendly manner. So this capability will come to the bank with more and more use of technology by the bank's customers. As regards, providing other facilities to the customers, we are into all kinds of lending, that is agriculture, self-employed, that is small and medium scale industry, any kind of banking activity, we are into it. And all our branches are capable of providing these services. In particularly talking of Andhra Pradesh, we have been very aggressive. The bank has lent funds to the tune of 7,500 crore across state against our total deposit base of 5,800 crore, which translates into credit deposit ratio of 129% against the national average of 76% across the bank.